In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a contact sheet in Photoshop using the built-in Contact Sheet 2 feature. This is one of the easiest ways to automatically arrange multiple images into a clean grid, which is perfect for portfolios, photo reviews, client proofing, and quick print layouts. If you work with a lot of images and want a fast, organized way to display them all on one page, this method will save you a ton of time. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Photoshop on your computer. Once Photoshop is open, go up to the top menu and click File. From there, hover over Automate and then choose Contact Sheet 2. This will open the Contact Sheet 2 dialog box, which is where you'll set up everything for your contact sheet. Now, under Source Images, you want to select Choose Folder. Click the Choose button and then browse to the folder that contains all of the images you want to include in your contact sheet. Make sure you pick the correct folder because Photoshop will pull the images from that location automatically. After selecting your folder, move down to the Document Settings section. Here, you can choose the size of your contact sheet. If you're making something for print, you may want to set the width and height to a standard paper size like A4. If you're creating something for digital use, you can set a custom size that works best for your screen or project. Next, set your resolution. For print, 300 dpi is usually the best choice because it gives you a high quality result. For digital use, 72 dpi is often enough and keeps the file lighter. Then, make sure the mode is set to RGB, especially if you're creating a contact sheet for screens, online review, or general editing use. After that, go to the Thumbnails section. This is where you control how your images will be arranged on the page. Set the number of columns, for example 4, and set the number of rows, for example 5, depending on how many images you want to fit on the sheet. If you want Photoshop to automatically adjust the spacing between the images, check Use Autospacing. This helps keep everything neat and evenly distributed. If your images have mixed orientations, you can also enable Rotate for best fit, which allows Photoshop to rotate thumbnails so they fit better in the grid. Another useful option is Use File Name as Caption. If you check this box, Photoshop will display each image's file name beneath the thumbnail, which is really helpful when reviewing photos or comparing selections. Once everything looks good, take one final look at your settings to make sure the folder, size, resolution, and thumbnail layout are all correct. Then click OK. Photoshop will now automatically generate your contact sheet and place all of your selected images into a grid on a new document. Depending on how many images you selected, it may take a few moments, but once it's finished, you'll have a clean, organized contact sheet ready to save, print, or share. This is such a useful feature because it removes the need to manually drag and resize every photo one by one. Instead, Photoshop does all the layout work for you in just a few clicks. If you want a quick and professional way to present multiple images together, Contact Sheet 2 is a fantastic built-in tool. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.